It's easy to wander into debt. We can just not pay attention, keep spending, and one day we can wake up and be buried in debt. But it's hard or even impossible to wander out of debt. We need an escape plan. And many people would ask, should I pay my high interest debt first or the ones with the smallest balance? Some would say it's the smallest balance first because it's all about momentum and celebrating small wins. They said it's more motivating to see quick results. But mathematically speaking, it makes more sense to go after high interest debt first. Think about how much money is involved when we're paying 21% interest versus a 2% interest. The best way, though, depends on our personal circumstances. We have to consider what's more important to us and our behavioral habits. We have to ask ourselves, what would motivate us more? The momentum and the immediate wins, or the amount of money that we can save on interest? There's no wrong or right answer, just get it done. Do what works for you. The sooner you can manage your debt, the faster you can start making your money work for you. As Dave Ramsey would say, the bad news is your success is up to you. But the great news is your success is up to you.